Hi everyone, this is Kushal Jambulkar from gossipfunda. Let's get started. So, in this video, I will be talking about if my phone is connected to Wi-Fi but there is no internet in the Android phone. So, the first way is check if you are connected to the internet. Sometimes you might be facing the issue because your router is not connected to the internet. So, try to connect to that router wirelessly using another device and see if you can access the internet. Log into your router and check if all the ISP, PPOE configuration details are accurate. It should include your username and password. If you are unsure, call your ISP. So the next way is check if mobile data is turned off. When you have mobile data turned on and then connect to a Wi-Fi network, you are not able to access the internet. So try disabling the mobile data to fix this issue. So the another way is by checking the time and date settings. Another thing that looks common but ill-configured time and date settings can be a cause of lot of problems. Generally, Android devices are configured to obtain time and date information automatically from your network operator. However, if you have changed those settings, then reset the settings again because when the settings set to the manual, the clock may not be updated due to a restart. To set up automatic date and time, follow these steps. Open the clock app and then tap on the settings menu. Here, tap change date and time. In the next screen, toggle the buttons next to the automatic date and automatic time zone. Make sure if you don't want automatic time settings, then manually set the proper time by selecting the proper options set date, set time and set time zone. All done. Now reboot your device and try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network again. So the another way is by using the forgot and reconnect to a Wi-Fi network. Just open your Android settings and navigate to Wi-Fi. Then next click on the Wi-Fi network and select the option forgot. Now tap on the Wi-Fi network again and enter the password. Then click on the connect button and now your problem will be fixed. I hope I was able to give you some of the information. If I do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Gossip Funda YouTube channel. You can also watch the previous videos from the I button. You can also visit to gossipfunda.com webpage where you will find more interesting tech-based facts and articles. Link is in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you.